What can a practice like mine, Hera Beauty and Wellness, do for you? Well, I had a patient today that had a lot of problems. And we were talking about her problems, and I started asking her questions. So, how long have you had this? How did you do this? What's going on? She says, well, I had tests recently with my doctor. And she says, if I don't call you, it's all good. I said, no problem. Let me try and find out those tests. I went to Quest. I pulled up her test results. And sure enough, she had prediabetes, and she wasn't told. And she had significantly high cholesterol, and she wasn't told. And that's just part of the other things that were going on with her. So please do not assume that your doctor's office is not calling you, it's all normal. You do have an obligation as a client to investigate about your results. But a lot of the times you come to the visit, the doctors are rushed, they go to the visit really quickly. That's not what we do here. We are a holistic, functional, integrative medicine approach. So we sit down, we talk to you, we ask you questions, we try to get to the bottom of the problem. And this is what you need. And this patient, at the end of the day, at the end of the visit, was extremely thankful. And I said, what are you thanking me for? I haven't done anything yet. And she says, just the fact that you listen, that you ask questions that are probing, that clearly are leading somewhere, and you are on to something, makes me think that I'm actually going to get some help here. And it's unfortunate how in today's medicine climate, you go to a lot of doctors, you have a lot of visits, and nobody can get to the bottom of the problem because nobody really looks at the big picture. And this is what is one of the main reasons why a lot of patients don't get relief or a resolution to their problems, because you see 10 doctors, a joint doctor, a heart doctor, a cardiology doctor, a heart doctor. You see an internal medicine doctor, a gynecologist, and before an immunologist, a rheumatologist, and before you know it, you see a bunch of specialists, and nobody's really getting to the problem, to the core of the problem, and nobody's solving your problem, and you still feel not good, tired, foggy, forgetful, your hormones are a mess, you're being told hormones are not to blame, don't worry about it, and so on and so forth. So this is what our practice can do for you. We will work with you to get to the bottom of the problem. We will not stop until we actually help you feel better. And we might not do it in 1 or 2 appointments, but eventually you are going to feel better, and that's our promise to you. We're going to get to the bottom of it.